Good day, everyone. I am Zybril Chivoni Procarato, and today we will gonna be tackling about a specific story under Victorian age, which is entitled Showmaker: A Tale of Two Cities. So basically, the title of the story is Showmaker, but it is under the story or part of the story of A Tale of Two Cities by Charles Dickens. So, in order to of course introduce the author, which is Charles Dickens, we will gonna be firstly unwrapping the background of the author. So Charles Dickens, his name is Charles John Hupham Dickens, or better known as Charles Dickens, but he once used the early pen name Boz, or Boz. His birth and death was, he was born on February 7, 1812 in Landport, Portsmouth, and died on June 9, 1870 at God's Hill Place, Kent. His nationality was English novelist and a journalist who became a central figure of Victorian literature. So his father and mother was Father John, a naval pay officer clerk. His mother was Elizabeth Dickens, born Barrow, who loved storytelling. So his wife was he was married to Catherine Hogarth in 1836. So the couple later separated, but they were never divorced. So his children were there were 10 children of Charles Dickens and Elizabeth Dickens, named um, Mary, Kate, Walter, Frank, Alfred, Sidney, Henry, Dora, and also Edward. So his literary movement was leading voice of Victorian realism, social criticism, and the 19th century popular novel. So his writing style was rich, vivid prose with memorable characters, humor, pathos, and detailed description of London life. So his influences was drew on Henry Fielding, Tobias Smollett, Oliver Goldsmith, Shakespeare in journalism, and was also popular stage melodrama. And his awards and recognition was he received an immense popular fame in life and is a now staple of school curricula and also in literary canons. So, adaptations of their work, novels such as Oliver Twist, A Christmas Carol, and Great Expectations have countless stage, film, and television versions. Controversies and challenges face criticism for his treatment, Catherine Hogarth, and some stereotype portraits, yet remained a beloved public figure. So his career outside writing was he was once a law clerk, shorthand parliamentary reporter, and magazine editor before being full-time authorship. Okay? So, going back to the story of Charles Dickens, which is entitled Showmaker, under the story of A Tale of Two Cities, where the story of the Showmaker represents and the restoration of identity. After 18 years in the Bastille, Dr. Manette has been buried alive by tyranny, losing his name and mind to the mechanical tasks of shoemaking. The chapter shows how the cruelty through his daughter Lucille. The chapter shows how the cruelty of the state can strip a man of his humanity, but through his daughter Lucille's love, he is recalled to life, proving that human connection can redeem even the most broken soul. So the essential elements of the story will be introduced now. So the central theme is to recalled to life. It explores the psychological distraction caused by tyranny and solitary confinement, showing that Dr. Manette has been buried alive by his past. He can be reborn through the power of love and human connection. So, plot structure of the story was in the beginning, Mr. Lorry and Lucy find Dr. Manette in a dark garret where he is a withered shell of a man. He is pathologically obsessed with showmaking, a mechanical habit he used to survive 18 years of imprisonment in the Bastille. So in the middle of the story, when asked his identity, when Mr. Bennett was asked with his identity, the doctor only replies 105 North Tower. Lucy approaches him and he eventually notices her golden hair, which matches strands he kept from his wife. This physical link triggers a flicker of memory and a return of his intelligence. So, in the end of the story, Dr. Manette experiences a fragile emotional awakening. He is removed from the garret to leave Paris for England, marking his physical transition from a prisoner and back to be a father. Through his though his mind or though his mind remains scared. So the characters of the story entitled um, Showmaker under the story of A Tale of Two Cities, where of course si Dr. Alexander Manette, which is the showmaker and former prisoner of Bastille. He is mentally broken and identified only as a 105 North Tower. Lucille Manette or Lucy Manette was his daughter, the Dr. Manette's daughter, and she represents the golden thread of love and hope that pulls her father back to reality. And Jarvis Lorry, methodical businessman from Towson Bank and a loyal family friend who facilitates the reunion. Next is C. Ernest Defarge, a wine shop owner and former servant of Dr. Manette. He keeps the doctor in a dark garret and acts as his temporary guardian. Madame Defarge was mentioned on the present in the background of the shop. Was mentioned or he was present in the background of the shop. Defarge's wife, who watches the events with a watchful, ominous eye. And and here is the reference. I will just show it on the screen where you can read it for you to really comprehend and understood the story. And that's it. Thank you so much.